Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common Snapchat dilemma: how to find someone you've unblocked in 2025. Whether you're reconnecting with an old friend or just curious about Snapchat's latest updates, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Snapchat has evolved a lot by 2025, with smarter search features and enhanced privacy controls, making it easier than ever to manage your connections. So, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're using the latest version of Snapchat. Open the app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head to the search bar at the top of the screen. It's that magnifying glass icon you've probably used a million times. Now, type in the username of the person you unblocked. Remember, unblocking someone restores their ability to appear in your searches, but it might take a minute for everything to sync up. If they don't show up right away, don't panic. Go to your friends list by tapping the profile icon in the top left corner, then select Friends. Scroll through or use the search function there to locate them. Another tip: check your chat history. Sometimes, recent conversations will pop up if you've interacted before. In 2025, Snapchat's AI-powered search can even suggest contacts based on your activity, so if you're still having trouble, try adding keywords related to their username or mutual friends. One more thing: privacy settings might affect visibility. Make sure the person hasn't blocked you again or changed their username. If all else fails, you can always send a friend request directly from the search results. There you have it, folks. Finding someone on Snapchat after unblocking them is straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.